Are their heads on the pillow?
Night night.
Oh, you did a nice job of covering them up so that they stay nice and warm.
Night night, monkeys. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Night night.
What did the doctor say?
The monkeys are jumping. Bit. Hit.
bumped heads,
Little pillow.
little pillow.
No monkeys jumping. A bit.
Yeah. Oh,
No drunk. Bit. I jumped. Jump.
is he gonna jump and bump his head? He's jump. Oops.
Oh, I see. He jumped on someone else's head.
Sound down. And that one.
Did he hit his head? Oh, dang.
Sound down.
He fell
It's
down.
a little bit like pig bowling.
Where's Mama?
What's the doctor say?
No monkeys jumping. Bit. Dump. Dump.
Oh,
Oh, geez, they all jumped off. I don't understand how those monkeys would ever even fit in that bed, unless they sleep standing up.
Graham, are you covering up the monkeys so they stay nice and warm? And did Mama give them kisses? Oh, is Daddy Doctor gonna say night night?
Night night, Tata. Tata. Bao. Bao.
Oh, is there a flower in her hair?
Mommy. Baby monkey, lay down.
Two lucky monkeys sleeping in the bed.
Bit.
Baby monkeys lay down.
Oh.
Night night.
And then, Mama gave kisses.
Night night, Daddy. Bit.
Can you say thank you, Nora and Leah?
Think of
Nora,
Leah.
Nora and Leah. You say thank you, Aunt Ellen.
Think in the oven.
You say thank you, Uncle Art. There's a cat barfing in the background.